The security posture in Augmentt Secure gives you insight into the state of your Microsoft security. The security posture is multi-tenant, so you can see the overall health of your entire customer base at once, and then drill down into a specific client. There are over 30 different posture checks that are performed, and we present back our findings to you in an easy-to-read color-coded format. If the posture check is fully compliant, you get a green compliant box. If there are a few users or items that need to be addressed, you get a partially configured box. And if the posture item is not configured, you get a red box. This way you can easily see the state of your customer's Microsoft security at a quick glance. If you want to take a closer look at these items, click on the one in question, and then you can view the specific details and get insight into what needs to be done next to make sure that it is fully configured.
That's my minute. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.